Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be about passion twists, and to all my new subscribers, welcome. And please don't forget to like, comment, share on whatever videos that you might like to see from my end. In this video already, I decided to just wash my hair with the parts already done. I was actually going to do distress locks, but yeah. So here's the gist. I use this at night to sleep. My mom made it. Yeah, she's very talented. Anyway, these are the passion twists that I have on right now. They're so thick, they're so cute, and they're not shiny. That's why I like them so much, because they're not shiny. But how I did them, I missed one. But I use this here. You're gonna use 2 strands of this. So what you do is you pre-stretch the hair, just like pre-fluff basically, because you don't want to twist it as is. If you do that, then it's called spring twists. So these are passion twists. Yeah, I don't know if that's an official rule, but I figured it out like that. That's how I differentiate the two. Okay, so you want the hair to look something like this, right? Pre-fluffed and everything. Imagine just a small thing like this comes out like that. But anyway, so you just continue doing that, and yeah, now it's pre-fluffed. Okay, I took 2 of these, and there's this one just in case. You'll see now why. And then I take them and I put them together like this, and then it's just like that. And what you do is you take your hair, make sure that it is properly moisturized. I'm using my favorite hair food for now. I put it on the scalp, and then I make sure that it also goes right to the hair until the end. And then I don't braid on top of it. If you want to, you can do the crochet method. I personally didn't like the crochet method, as I mentioned before, because it is quite loose. So yeah.